Grilled dried chicken or smoked chicken is on a bill of fare today. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. My name is Lena, and trust me, you will love it here. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. My returning ones, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I am so grateful. So to start with this, I have with me here my hen or chicken, okay, but this one is the local one, okay, so it's hen, and I'm just going to cut them and then we continue. So first of all, I'll cut the thighs and then we proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us for more videos. If you want to know how I cut my chicken, please do well to check wherever you are watching me, whether on YouTube or Facebook, okay? Yes, the video is there. After I'm done cutting the other thigh, I'll go ahead and then cut the next one, and then we will cut the wings, and then we are good to go. If you want the recipes in Twi language, please follow us on YouTube. The name is Recipe Goddess. We share detailed recipes there, and we use the local dialect, okay? If you want short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. After cutting the wings, I will just separate the back and then the breast. Now, the reason why we am telling you about the short videos is that there are some people, they can't watch the full video, so they prefer watching the short ones, and those ones are very detailed, okay? But if you have time, it will be very advisable to watch the full video. Yeah, thank you so much. Now we have separated the breast and then the back, and we did that successfully. If you've watched me till this point, please, what are you waiting for? Can you like the video? I'll be very happy if you share to others. Yes, and then if you haven't subscribed, I'm just reminding you again, that is actually the gizzard and then the heart, okay? I'm just going to put that down, and what you are seeing there is fat. I'm just going to discard it, and then we are good to go. So I'll remove all the fats, and then we are fine. Now with the back, you can divide it into any sizes that you want, okay? I realized that I cut the gloves, which if I put my hand in water is just going to get into my hand, so that is why I changed it. That is egg. It's not that matured, and I'm just going to add it to the fat and then discard all those things. I later found one of the gizzard, and I'll add it to the good ones behind camera. Now I'll cut that part and then discard it. If you like it, you can just keep it, but I will discard it. And then I decided to remove some of the feathers. I couldn't do that, so I decided to leave it because we are just going to put this on fire, and that's will remove. Now with the breast, I will divide the breast into 4, and then we are good to go. With the back, I divided it into 2. Yes, so just cut it according to the sizes that you want. As for the knife, oh my goodness, very bad, but that is how I want my knife, okay? Because I am very careless when I am dealing with knife. Now I will divide the thigh into 2, the drumstick and then the thigh itself, okay? That is what I'm doing on the screen. I will repeat the same thing to the other parts. You know, it's 2, so I will do the same thing, and then we are good to go. Now we are finally done, and I have my chicken here, or hen. I have it here. What I did was I washed it very well with water, and after that I added some lemon juice to it. So when I added the lemon juice to it, I waited for some few minutes, about 2 minutes, before I rinse it again. So it was in the lemon juice for 2 good minutes before adding some water to it, and then wash it very well so that it will not smell. Okay, yeah. Now after I was done with that, I poured it in the colander, used my paper towel to wipe the liquid from it, and now here we are. Now what you are seeing on it is my pepper, ginger, garlic, and I added some olive oil, a little olive oil to it. I added some soya spice or kebab powder to it, and now I'm mixing everything very well. Make sure you massage it very well so that the ingredients can enter very well. Okay, I added some salt and then my chicken seasoning as well. Use any seasoning of your choice, and then you are good to go. Now after doing everything, I'll just go ahead and then allow the meat to stay for some time before we proceed with the process. This is just a gentle reminder. If you haven't subscribed, can you please subscribe for more videos? Like the video. Let me see what you think about this recipe in the comment section, and let me know how you prepare yours as well. After some hours, we have our chicken or hen here. I've set my fire already, and we are just going to use charcoal to grill this. Okay, so you flip it to the other side, and this is what we have. It is well smoked, and it is very dry. Okay, so yeah, we are done. Try this and trust me, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching to this point. You can't afford to miss the next upload, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next one. Do remember to take good care of yourself, love yourself first, and know that I love you. I will see you soon. Bye bye.